Hello students, welcome to Consumer Electronic class. Today we are going to discuss about technology involved in smart home. What is home automation? Home automation always, referred to as smart home technology. This is the use of technology to automate your home. Home automation allows you to control almost every aspect of your home through the Internet of Things, IoT. Home automation started with the invention of what? Thermostat. And that has developed into one of the biggest and fastest growing markets in the technology. Home automation's potential continues to grow. You can use it for a home security, you can use it for controlling appliances, monitoring energy use, as a personal assistant, for looking after the elderly or disabled, and many more. So in this session, we will learn everything you will need to know about home automation, and not just how it works, but the different ways it can be used and its downfalls. How does home automation work? It's hard to explain how home automation works because there is no one universally accepted protocol. The technology varies from country to country and company to company and the type of automation. Often, because the home automation market is so lucrative and fast paced, companies will withhold new developments. The first industry standard for home automation was X10. X10 helps devices connect to each other primarily through power line wiring or radio frequency or wireless based protocols. Today, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Insteon are also leading protocols for home automation. These new industry standards rely more heavily on modern wireless technology like a mesh networking. All of these systems are very complicated, but simply put, they use electricity, radio waves, or wireless technology to send messages to and from devices. Central system. A central system is one home automation system that controls everything in your home. It allows you from a single source to control your lights, thermostats, sprinklers, phone, washers, dryers, and more. This type of home automation is most popular with the businesses and upscale private residences. It is also very popular with the home automation security systems. Usually, central control systems are run through a wall mounted terminal, like the kind commonly used for home security systems. They also can be accessed by a remote control device, smartphone, tablet, or computer. So, what are the pros and cons of this system? The pros are: the number one benefit of the central control system is in its name. You can access all the different aspects of your home from one convenient system. Everything from your shower to your home security network can all be controlled via one central system. Central control systems are also fairly high end, which in turn means high quality. Cons and disadvantages. These systems tend to be more expensive and require professional installation. As home automation grows, more and more people are moving toward app based automation that can be paired with smart hubs to mimic central control systems. Another issue with these systems is that they are very inclusive. If you choose to go with the central system, you are often limited to the devices that can pair with that system. For example, if you wanted to go out and buy a new washing machine, and you would be limited to the machine that work with your system, correct? As time goes on, many systems are adapting to the home automation market by making themselves more compatible with the emerging technologies. Next one is app based. App based smart home technology uses your home network to communicate with the cloud. Cloud technology is a vital part of the Internet of Things. And the cloud technology, IoT, these both have grown very popular in last few years. Most app-based smart devices work by connecting your home automation devices to your home network via Wi-Fi. So those devices connect to a server somewhere which you can then access through apps on your smartphone. Once you have created a personalized account with these apps, you can coordinate with your smart home devices. This way, the company knows which device goes with which app user. As long as you and your smart home devices are connected to the internet, you can communicate back and forth with most of the cloud-based home automation devices from anywhere. Some app-based home automation technology connects to your smart device directly through Bluetooth. Like a cloud-based home automation, you still need to create a personal account on this app. But unlike cloud-based app though, you need to be in a vicinity of these home automation devices from them, for them to work. Otherwise they'll shout, right? It's like, a small baby. Bluetooth should be connected very nearby. Next one is the pros and cons. So pros is app-based or home automation is certainly responsible for the accessibility of smart homes for the general population. So many are creating do-it-yourself smart homes because these devices are affordable, easy to set up, and easy to use and easy to update. So people are trying their own. There are also so many different options, and because it is such a huge market right now, new devices are constantly coming out. That's a pros. Cons. Unlike central control system, most smart homes running off cloud-based home automation, they require these kind of home automation require several different apps. Some smart home technology distributors offer several different devices that you can access through their own app, only one app. But otherwise, everybody will give their own app. So you have to have different apps to control different machines. On the other hand, developers that are already creating devices that mimic the central control system. Next one is the smart homes. Technology has been growing at insane speed and it is not slowing down. Things we only now saw in movies or science fiction are now a reality. You can call people from your watch like a James Bond, talk to your computer like a HAL 9000. Now you can have a smart home like an Iron Man. See, smart home technology has actually been around for years. Bill Gates started building his smart home in 1988 and he finished in 2005. But today, you don't have to have a billionaire to own a smart home and certainly won't take 17 years to construct. Whether you want to run your home through a central system or you are happy with app-based devices, your options are very broad and just keep wandering and keep widening. Smart home basics. Let's start with the basics. Okay. So I've given the list one. Look at the list. The following are the most commonly used smart home options on the market right now. They are easy to use, install, and tend to be the more affordable smart home technology. Okay. The first one is called smart speakers. It is reported that 39 million people are using a smart speaker in their home. It is no surprise considering all the things they are capable of. Smart speakers can do so much more than play music. Though they do an excellent job on that, they can search the internet, tell you the weather, give you the news briefing, debriefing, work as a personal assistant, and can act as a central control hub for your entire smart home system. With the right smart speakers, you can control almost every aspect of your home with just your voice. Ask Alexa to know who is the front door, use Siri to turn off the light you left upstairs, or turn the heat down with the Google Home. Like, you can do anything. If you are looking to use your smart speaker as a home automation hub, you need to double check that the devices you buy are compatible with your speaker, as not at all are actually. The next one is smart TVs. Smart TVs are great because you can watch basically anything you want, whenever you want, and whether you have a cable or not. A smart TV usually refers to a TV itself, but in this case, it's an umbrella statement for all IoT video streaming devices. There are tons of options these days when it comes to streaming TV. You can get a literal smart TV that streams Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, etc. straight from the unit itself, or you can get a system to pair with your normal TV. Many of these devices can be paired with your smart speakers and central control hub, making your home even smarter. Next one is the smart thermostats. With the smart thermostats, you can monitor your HVAC from wherever you are. You can also set them on a schedule so that energy is not wasted when no one is at home. Some smart thermostats have a smart sensor option that automatically changes the temperature when they sense it is needed. That's called smart thermostat. Next one is smart plugs. Smart plugs can convert an object into a smarter version of itself. Just plug them into your normal outlet, and then whenever is being powered or whatever is being powered by them can easily be turned off and on from your smart device. That's called smart plug. Next one is light automation. When it comes to light automation, there are two options. The first is installing smart light switches. Smart light switches not only can be controlled by an app, but many give you a variety of lighting choices like dimming. Okay. The second smart lighting option is smart bulbs. Like smart plugs, smart bulbs enhance regular lights into a smart ones. Switch out your old bulbs for a smart one and you will be able to automate your lighting. So which is better choice? Smart switches are more affordable option but often involve complicated installations. Smart bulbs offer more lighting options like dimming or soft light but are more expensive because they require the purchase of a translator hub to work with your smart devices. Next one is the video doorbells. Video doorbells not only sense and alert you when someone is at the front door but can also show you video footage of who is there and can use intercom technology to talk to your visitor. No longer do you have to yell, "Who is there?" or "Come in," like from across the house. You can see from your smart device and even ask your smart speaker to show you. Next one is robot vacuums. Robot vacuums, the accessibility to a robot maid may be pretty far off, but a robot vacuum is the next best thing. They can be controlled from your smart devices, including your smart speakers. As if having a robot vacuum was not enough, some of these vacuums come with their own artificial intelligence like your smart speakers. And a few can even stream pictures and video straight to your mobile device. Next one is the smart kitchens. Though technology has yet to provide us a robot chef, these smart kitchen appliances make cooking and cleaning that much easier. You can even connect many of them with your smart speakers. So the first one is smart refrigerators. Smart refrigerators vary in capability. They can tell you how often they are being accessed. It will alert you if the door is wide open or left open. It will let you know what products you need to buy. And even a few models can even have monitors that can stream TV. Smart refrigerator will have a smart TV. So smart refrigerators can come with one of these features or sometimes a combination of them or sometimes all of them. Some fridges display this information straight from the unit, but others send all the information to an app. Most of the app compatible refrigerators will also run diagnostics to make sure everything is running smoothly. It really depends on what you're looking for actually. Next one is smart ovens. Smart ovens allow you to control your oven from anywhere. There are even smart ovens that can be controlled through Alexa. Some apps also allow you to look up recipes and queue up the time and temperature needed for them. But often you still need to press the start button. Most smart ovens with at least let you control the timer and run the diagnostics for you. Next one is smart dishwasher. Smart dishwasher run on very similar apps as smart ovens and app compatible smart fridges. This is because they are produced by same companies. For example, LG, GE, Whirlpool, etc. With these apps, you can check the status of your wash, get notification when your load is done, and stop and start a load. Similar to the oven and refrigerator, most of these apps also will run diagnostics on your units if necessary. Next one is smart laundry. Laundry is not necessarily a kitchen chore, but because these apps are the same as the previous appliances, it fits. So these smart washers and dryers are just like a dishwasher, You can start, stop, pause a load, check on the status, receive a notification when the load is finished, and run diagnostics from the convenience of your smart device. Next one is smart dishes. Smart dish. You can buy smart plates. You can buy smart plates and forks, spoons that monitors your calorie intake and connect with your app to help you keep track of what you are eating. So you probably should not put them through your smart dishwasher though. Next one is smart slow cookers. Control your smart crock pot from your phone or tablet. You can check the temperature, change the settings, and turn it on and off. It makes the easiest cooking device even more convenient. Next one is smart coffee pot. Most coffee pots can be set on a timer to start brewing when you want. Your smart pots can be told to brew from your phone so that whenever you want a coffee, you can start a pot. Next one is smart trash cans. Most smart trash cans are just touch free and odor controlling. There is one smart one that incorporates a barcode scanner. As you throw your food away, you scan the barcode, so and the trash can add it to the grocery list on your smart device. Next one is dash button. I like this actually. Amazon's dash buttons allow you to create a button for any household products that you can order from Amazon. The buttons can be placed anywhere. So in theory, you could place your Tide Pod button in your laundry room. So as soon as you are running low, you simply press the button and reorder them. Many companies are looking to develop similar such smart buttons. Even the most basic necessities can be enhanced in a smart home. Smart bathroom technology will make your bathroom more than a room you have to use. Smart toilets, first one. Smart toilets offer basic features like touch-free flushing, a sensor that opens and closes the lid, automatic bowl cleaning, and deodorizers. They also have some more extravagant features as well, like a built-in bidet, heated seats, and more. Next one is enhanced vanities. Imagine you are brushing your teeth and watching TV in the mirror. With the enhanced vanities, you can do just that. You can even have smart mirrors with the touch activated lighting and fogless surfaces. Mirrors are not the only part of enhanced vanities though. You can also invest in a towel heating drawer, for a spa like experience every day. Next one is smart showers. Smart showers have various capabilities. They can be turned on from the comfort of your bed before you even wake up. They save your perfect showering setting, right? And some even have a TV in them. Next one is privacy windows. Smart privacy windows can be installed and can be as easy as a film you can place over your windows. They can change from a normal window to opaque window no one can see through. From a remote or from your smart device, you can control it. Many privacy windows are protecting you from harmful UV rays and work as an insulator to maintain a comfortable temperature. Next one is smart nurseries. Having a newborn in your home or in one of the, it's a most rewarding one, and at the same time it is a stressful experience in life. Thanks to smart nurseries, babies are safer than ever. Parents can relax just a little. First one is the video monitors. Baby monitors have changed completely now. New that now video cameras can easily be incorporated. Now, instead of merely listening in or on your infant, you can visually check up on them from any room. Most monitors connect with your smartphone via an application, via an app, but some simply have a corresponding monitor that can easily be moved from room to room. Next one is smart rocking. There are several different smart bassinets on the market that vary in capabilities. At a minimum, they can all rock at various speeds that can be controlled by your smart device. Many can also emit white noise to soothe your infant. And many have a built-in swaddling that imitates a womb. Next one is smart health monitors. There are many different monitors out there for infants that monitor their breathing, heartbeat, and their movement, and even sometimes their temperature. Many are wearable, others are worked into a smart crib pads or blankets. Not only do these monitors help prevent SIDS, but many keep track of diaper changes, keep track of sleep habits and more. And they send that data to an app on your mobile phone, on your smartphone. Next one is smart changing tables. Whether it is a smart bed stand that acts as a baby station and a smart hub or a changing mat that measures the baby's weight to make sure that they are properly fed. These products are changing in the nursery game altogether. Smart mobiles. A smart mobile can sense what sleeping stage your baby is at now, and it will react to it with the sound, movement, and light that soothes your infant. There are several devices along the same line, but those will use light, will light and color and the sound to soothe your child to sleep. Next one is sensors. Many parents use sensors around their children's nursery or bedroom for extra peace of mind. When the sensors are triggered, they send alerts to your smart device. They can be placed not only at the external entry point but internal, so that you are alerted when anyone is entering or even moving around the room. Climate sensors are another smart device or smart choice, climate sensor, making sure your nursery is always the perfect temperature for your baby, right? Next one is smart pet care. Taking care of your fur babies is easier than ever with a smart pet tech. The best part about these gadgets is that they make life easier for you and for your pets. Feel less guilty about leaving them at home alone during the day and enjoy the time you do spend with them that much more. How to do video monitoring. Use video monitors to check on your pets when you're not at home. Special pet-oriented pet monitors can do more than just let you watch your pets. Many go both ways so that your pet can also see you and hear you as well. And some even allow you to dispense treats. Next one is self-cleaning litter boxes. The cat care becomes much easier with the self-cleaning litter boxes that washes, sanitize, dry and fill themselves. They even have a litter boxes disguised as a cabinets to be truly out of sight and out of mind. Smart mats. Many pet owners have a nice furniture. They don't necessarily want their pets furring them up. Smart mats use various techniques to give your pets harmless warning to stay out of off-limits room and off furniture. These are especially helpful for training new pets or retraining older stubborn ones. Next one is smart pet doors. Smart pet doors work with a smart key that goes on your pet's collar. They only let animals with a key in and out of the door so that no unwanted creatures will end up in your home. You can also lock the door when you don't want your pet going out. That's called smart pet doors. Last one is smart feeders. Smart feeders automatically dispense food and water for your pets. Using an app on your phone, you can schedule feedings and control portion size for your fur babies. Next one is more smart options. First one is smart fans. Smart fans like thermostats can be controlled from an app on your phone, set to a schedule, or can be set to sense when they are needed. Next one is smart floors. Heated floors, it seems like the height of luxury, but temperature controlled floors that can be automated from your smart devices that will take care. These are not a lot of products for automated heated floors yet, but many smart thermostats can be programmed to control floors as well. Next one is smart shades. Smart shades on the window. Smart shades can be raised and closed from your phone or any other devices as you like. Many can also be set to a schedule so that they can greet you with the sunlight at the same time each morning. Next one is automated sprinklers. Having a beautiful lawn is much easier with app controlled automated sprinkler systems. Schedule when your sprinklers go off, which sprinklers are in use, and keep an eye on maintenance needs. Next one is smart pool. If you have a pool, you know how much upkeep they require, right? The smart pool apps measure the chemicals in your pool remotely, allow you to automate certain cleaning procedures, and schedule the pool repair. Next one is smart beds. Control the position, softness, and even the warmth of your bed with a smart mattress. Have a snoring partner, elevate their side of the bed from your phone. Problem is solved. Some mattresses have added perks like massaging setting, built-in alarm clocks, and built-in sleep monitoring that sends you information about your sleeping habits to help you get the best sleep possible. How to control your smart home? Hubs can control all your different smart home devices. With more and more people talking on a do-it-yourself smart home projects, now new and improved hubs are hitting the market every day. Many hubs work by hosting all your app-based devices and then presenting them to you in their own app. These hubs are small, no frills, and fairly affordable. If you're looking for a more visually appealing option, panel hubs have a very sleek look. They are more common with the central control home automation system, but there are some available for app-based devices. There are some available. The most popular and highly recommended hubs are smart speakers. The majority of smart home devices are smart speakers compatible, and those that are not working to change that, actually they're not changing. Next one is this one. Not only is it more convenient to tell your speaker to turn on the light, but it really makes your house feel that much smarter. It's like having a digital butler. Smart home security. You know what's smart? Now, whether you are looking to protect your home or business or camp or vacation homes, home automation for a security is a great idea. In our country, every burglary takes place one burglary takes place every 15 seconds with an average of 2.3 million dollar worth of damage, right? It's huge. Having a security system lowers the chance of burglary on your property significantly, but only 17% homes have one. So it is predicted that this year 1 in 36 properties will be broken into. Be careful, okay? These security measures can prevent your property from being another statistic. Next one is video surveillance. Keep tabs on your property from your smart device 24/7 with the video surveillance. Worried about false alarms? An app-based security system will allow you to confirm and alert yourself by accessing footage of your smart device from any camera on the premise. Sensors. Sensors are most commonly used on doors and windows that can be potential entry points into your home. App-based sensors can send an alert to your smart device that someone has used one of your entry points. Next one is automated locks. Did you know that the majority of burglars come in through an unlocked door or a window? Use automated locks to lock your windows, doors from your smart device wherever you are, or just to double check to make sure you already have. Alarm system. If the worst happens and your home or business is broken into, a blaring alarm can be set to go off. Most systems can be set to automatically alert the authorities as well. Next one is fire, CO and flooding sensors. Burglary is not the only threat to your home or business. Fire, gas, and water can also do serious damage. Smart fire and CO detectors offer in app actually silencing and send notifications to your phone if they are triggered. They are also a little nicer to look at than your average detector. Flood sensors work similarly to their detectors counterparts, but obviously sit lower to the ground. Next one is a home automation for medical care. Help your loved ones safely lead an independent lifestyle. You have to help. According to the National Alliance for Caregiving, 9.3 million people find themselves taking care of aging parents. In home care, everything can be done. But it can be expensive, but senior living facilities can take away from their loved ones' independence. Home automation can offer affordable alternatives that allow you peace of mind and your loved one independence. Monitor as little and or as much you feel necessary. Some popular options for home automation medical cares are medical alert button, video surveillance, activity tracking, security for Alzheimer's or dementia patients. Let me check now. First, let us have a look at medical alert button. Most of us have seen that I have fallen and I can't get up, a commercial ad, right? Medical alert buttons are lightweight, waterproof buttons that your loved one can wear around their neck, on their wrist, or even just carry with them. The button connects to an intercom system that, when activated by the push, it calls the medical monitoring center. If needed, someone from the call center can alert you or emergency services for the patient. Some buttons can even sense when the wearer has fallen and will alert the call center automatically. Next one is video surveillance. Video surveillance allows you to check in on your loved one from the convenience of your smart device. With the video surveillance, you can gain peace of mind knowing that your loved one is safe at home. Next one is activity tracking. There are several different ways to monitor the activity of your loved one. Medication dispensers can alert you when your loved one has or has not taken their daily doses. Connect to the refrigerator via sensors that can alert you how much or how little your loved one is eating or staying hydrated. You can also monitor other household appliances to make sure the stove is not left open or left on, or the faucet is left running. You can check that activity tracking. Last one is security for Alzheimer's and dementia patients. The majority of Alzheimer and dementia patients wander away from their home or living facilities, right? When this happens, it is a terrifying experience for them and for you. Home security systems can help to make sure this does not happen. But how it will do? By notifying you on your smartphone when someone leaves or enters the house. Next one is a home automation for medical care. Help your loved ones safely lead an independent lifestyle. You have to help. According to the National Alliance for Caregiving, 9.3 million people find themselves taking care of aging parents. In home care, everything can be done. But it can be expensive, but senior living facilities can take away from their loved ones' independence. Home automation can offer affordable alternatives that allow you peace of mind and your loved one independence. Monitor as little and or as much you feel necessary. Some popular options for home automation medical cares are medical alert button, video surveillance, activity tracking, security for Alzheimer's or dementia patients. Let me check now. First, let us have a look at medical alert button. Most of us have seen that, I have fallen or I can't get up, a commercial ad, right? Medical alert buttons are lightweight, waterproof buttons that your loved one can wear around their neck, on their wrist, or even just carry with them. The button connects to an intercom system that, when activated by the push, it calls the medical monitoring center. If needed, someone from the call center can alert you or emergency services for the patient. Some buttons can even sense when the wearer has fallen and will alert the call center automatically. Next one is video surveillance. Video surveillance allows you to check in on your loved one from the convenience of your smart device. With the video surveillance, you can gain peace of mind knowing that your loved one is safe at home. Next one is activity tracking. There are several different ways to monitor the activity of your loved one. Medication dispensers can alert you when your loved one has or has not taken their daily doses. Connect to the refrigerator via sensors that can alert you how much or how little your loved one is eating or staying hydrated. You can also monitor other household appliances to make sure the stove is not left open or left on, or the faucet is left running. You can check that activity tracking. Last one is security for Alzheimer's and dementia patients. The majority of Alzheimer and dementia patients wander away from their home or living facilities, right? When this happens, it is a terrifying experience for them and for you. Home security systems can help to make sure this does not happen. But how it will do? By notifying you on your smartphone when someone leaves or enters the house. Now let's come into the important chapter. That is topic, that is home automation safe? No technology is 100% foolproof, and home automation is no different. Here are some things to keep in mind when investing in home automation. First one is privacy. When it comes to smart homes, you really have to consider the fact that being so connected gives companies the chance to collect the data about you. The number one culprit is going to be your smart speaker. Many people leave their smart speakers on all the time, which means they are listening all the time. They learn from everything that you say to them, partially to better serve your needs, but also to sell you more products. For example, if you ask Alexa how to fix a washing machine, don't be surprised if next time you surf the web, you see a bunch of washer ads. At the same time, this type of intrusion is not unique to smart speakers or even to AI assistants like Alexa or Siri. It happens when you like something on Facebook, search for something on Google, and use your debit or credit card to shop. Being connected the way we are these days makes everything more convenient, not just for us, but for the companies trying to sell to us. As long as you're okay with that, you can enjoy the perks of a smart home. That's called privacy. Next one is cyber security. Cyber security is a very important issue that many people do not take seriously enough. The Internet of Things device market just keeps growing and developing. As it does, security for these devices sometimes falls through the cracks. As a customer, you need to know how to protect yourself in case developers cannot. The first step to doing is being informed. Read up on your devices before you purchase them. Know the security threats you might face and what responsibilities the developer has when it comes to protecting your needs. Network security is another vital part keeping your smart home cyber safe. Start with password encryption, the most important part of network security. Okay, password encryption. You should use strong password and change them often. The same password recommendation stands for any touchpad alarm systems. When it comes to choosing a password, the most random one is the safest one. Even if it seems unique to you, if your password is based on any personal information, it is likely a dedicated or a thief could figure it out easily. The next step is making sure your computers, tablets, phones are all protected with the firewalls, antivirus software, and that you're always updating your operating systems. Lastly, it is important that the device distributors can contact you if there are any issues with their products. This is a non-issue if you buy straight from the distributor, maybe Nest or Philips. But if you go through a third party like a Target or Best Buy, you should go online and register your devices. The reason it is important to make yourself available to these companies is so that they can contact you if they ever have a security breach, make a recall, or change something vital about their product. Next one is power outages. Whether a power outage affects your home automation system really depends on the system. Any system that runs through an internet will be down when the power is out. Home security and medical alert systems that have backup batteries for power outages and run through phone lines will be fine. But if the phone lines are out as well, those systems also will be out, down. Any system that runs through cellular radio should be safe through either situation as long as it has a simple, ample backup power stored up. The last one, unresponsive victims. One concern that is often posed is what would happen if the wearer of a medical alert button was unresponsiveness and unable to communicate in a medical emergency. Most medical alert buttons providers will set up an emergency plan with you or with your loved ones for these kind of situations. But if they don't, it is always a good idea to bring it up before purchasing a service. Okay, so that's all about today's session, and tomorrow we will discuss about virtual assistants. Okay, thank you and bye.